How to build credit with Credit Karma. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. In this video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually build credit with Credit Karma. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. Well, in order to actually build credit with Credit Karma, all you have to do is, first of all, you can see I'm on the official website of creditkarma.com that says and gives me a comprehensive guide to building credit. Now there are a couple of things, because if you're trying to figure out how to build credit, Credit Karma is here to help. In this guide, we'll walk through several ways and so forth. As you can see, if you scroll down, so first of all, you have how to build credit step by step. First thing is you need to get a parent or close friend to co-sign a loan. So if you're in need of a loan in the immediate future but have no credit history to speak of, your best shot at getting approved may be to get a co-signer for your loan. Scroll down and then you'll find other options that says apply for a secured credit card, because if you don't need credit immediately but want to start building your credit for the future, a secured credit card could be a great option for you. And then again, if you scroll down, you can see apply for a credit builder loan, which means that the main purpose of credit builder loans is to build your credit. Typically offered by credit unions, these small loans, typically less than $1,000, aren't really loans at all, at least not in the traditional sense. And if you scroll down, you can see your financial institutions deposits a loan amount into a locked savings account you can access and so forth. So you can also see too that you can become an authorized user and you can get added as an authorized user, get your rent payments. And just in a nutshell, I'll make sure to leave this article down in the description box so you can just go ahead and read all of those yourself as to some of the guides. But hopefully this video answered your question. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.